Hey guys, Dino here. So today we are doing the range test for the Eovan GTS Carbon Super, and we're doing it today on the pneumatics. So I know when I did my X-Way Atlas range test, I only did 17 miles, and the board had about 33% of the battery left. So today I'm going to take it to about 10% on the pneumatics, and we'll see what we're going to get. The battery is 852 watt hours, so hopefully that gets me 20 plus miles on the pneumatics. Let's have some fun, guys.
many can bang with us. Straight up, we no angel dust. Label us notorious. Thug ass niggas that love the bus. It's strange to us, y'all niggas be scrambling, gambling up restaurants with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off weed and lots of gin. So much smoke need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins. Nigga, you should too if you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this shit since '92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Fucked a few female stars or two. Then I blew like niggas blew like Mike. Shit, not to be fucked with. Motherfucker better duck quick. Cause me and my dogs love the buck shit. Fuck the luck shit, strictly aim. No aspirations to cut the game. Spit your game, talk your shit, grab your gat, call your clip, squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Pass that weed, I got to like one. All them niggas, I got to fight one. All them hoes, I got to like one. Our situation is a tight one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you'll take me. Bone and big, nigga, die slowly. I'ma tell you like a nigga told me. Cash roll everything around me. Shit, lyrically, niggas can't see me. Fuck it, buy the coke, cook the coke, cut it. Know the bitch before you call yourself loving it. Nigga with a Benz fucking it. Doesn't it seem odd to you? Big come through with mobs and crews. Good fellas down to the moot of dudes. Who's the killer? Me or you?
We forgive you, for you know not what you do.
7 a.m. woke in the morning with Henny, caffeine, and green and nicotine. No dose, so pop a couple of dope that I ripped up. Nigga, Mr. Clean, nigga clean. Deep in my temple and I do get sentimentally stained with my instrumentality. And heated especially for your team in the 45 and D will be in between the scenes. Destroy your dreams, you willing to die, we'll see. How many feasts when it calls the scene we mean? Mug, mo, trying to be perfect. Disciples with it, survival, tongue of a double-edged sword. Triple, 6 rivals spitting fire. This the real true bitch. Breaking out for lies, my massage. Better be ready for Armageddon. Shit's expired, it's wild. Bless the child that when I became a man. Put in positions already paid. All that I had to do was stay. Test me now. Contend, never no surrender, no pretend. Pick up my pen and my hand. None of my trusted friend. Hey, open the last, see it for real. We all suited, beg my pardon in the morning. Maybe we ain't marching, we shooting and they're recruiting. There's the football. Every day in the ghetto, we start them off there and get them a bottle and a pen and pad to hit the level. Kick the devil.
To the dome with a shot of burn. Never glue back in the curb. Me feeling that urge just burst. But I'm broke as fucks and give me that mouse burst swerve. Up into my bag, cause I gotta get my mask and shells to put in this 12 gauge sound off. Get them out off, nigga, y'all lost, take it out off. Get a nigga count off. But the bone, I let the face swimming and thinking the cut. And the more I'm pulling and nothing. Bitch, if you're slipping with bucking, I'm good, that's fucked up. Now let me get done with the crime. Gotta go purchase a dime. Put in the state to get done with the crime. Smoking the reaper to ease my mind. Swig some wine. Step on the block with the rocks, but really me serving them dumb and see. Get the fuck up on down if you come back talking like give me back me money. Thugging with me, killers need us a leader in liquor, but niggas ain't got shit. But it's all on popcorn, so they get pissed on now. Who ready to get back? Nigga like me fiending for them green leaves, but I ain't got no dough. Gotta make some money, so I'm making my dummy rocks if I go broke.
It's on it, big it. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride.
Get high, get high, get high.
Come on, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride.
Get high, get high, get high.
Little light hat coming in the form of scripture. Finna get you and hit you with magic. Dropping down legs, but I call it my gadgets. With an automatic status, we spread that loaded glass. But I'm thinking now, it's another E4 telling me to do what I gotta do. So I up my pipe and nigga down tonight. And I'm always running for the boys in blue. Biggie boobs on my ass now. Go out the sailor phone, the car bone, what's happening? Grab artillery and niggas start packing. Cause a motherfucker try to get me in the jacket. And I did him. Hit him right between the eyes. Spots wise. Wanna test a nigga's size and it cost him. Nigga fuck around with the wrong shit. Y'all getting more murdered all day, all day. We done played away and I'm on the run. I'ma call my boys to bring all the guns. Y'all niggas wanna have a little fun with number one. But it red rum, 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 rum. But it red rum, 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 rum. But it red rum.
It's on it, big it. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride.
Get high, get high, get high.
Come on, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride.
Get high, get high, get high.
Come on,
Hey guys, Dino here. Hope you're all having a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. So today for my range test, I ended with 21 miles and I had about 19% left on the battery. Now, a couple things I'll say about that. So when I was riding the board and I was on the throttle, the battery levels obviously go down. So they were down around 8 or 9%. And then when I brake, obviously it goes back up, or you let off the throttle, it goes back up. So I was getting a lot of beeping on the remote and it was around 6-7%. So I cut it short. I was close to the house. I just came home. Once I stopped the board, it finished with 19%, or when I turned it off, 19 or 20, I don't remember exactly. But yeah, so 21 miles. Probably could have got a few more, maybe 1 or 2. But there was a lot of sag in the battery. For instance, my top speed for this test was 32 miles, which was yesterday. And today I started the test with 75% on the board, and right away the top speed dropped by 2. So it went from 32 yesterday to 30 today. And yeah, other than that, it still had torque, but I did notice some battery sag pretty early on, and it definitely didn't have as much acceleration towards the end there, for sure. 100%, I could feel that. And yeah, but otherwise I still got 21 miles on pneumatics, which is pretty good. It's pretty cold out here today. It's about 48 degrees today, Fahrenheit, so that's like 9 degrees Celsius maybe, I don't know exactly, but that's pretty cold. So obviously the board isn't performing optimally, but I'm still happy with 21 miles on pneumatic tires. So yeah, 155 millimeter, 21 miles. Hope you enjoy the video. Stay safe, stay strong, get out and skate, or do something that makes you happy. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.